Welcome and Namaste. Today we learn Basic Mathematics Unit number 2 Trigonometry. Subtopic is Multiple and Submultiple Angles. I am VN Bachchav, lecturer in Mathematics, KK Polytechnic, Nasik. After watching this video, the learner will be able to apply the concept of multiple and submultiple angles to solve the given simple problems. What is meant by trigonometry? Trigonometry is the study of the measurements of sides and angles and relation between them with respective to angles. It is used to determine heights and distances. Now to see definition of multiple and submultiple angles. If A is an angle, then the angles 2 times A, 3 times A, 4 times A dash 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 are called multiple angles, and A by 2, A by 3, A by 4 dash 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 are called submultiple angles. For example, if A is equal to 45, then minus 315 degree is a multiple of 45 degree. Similarly, 405 degree is multiple of 45 degree. Then to see some important formulas of multiple and submultiple angles. Sin 2A is equal to 2 sin A cos A. Sin of 2A is equal to 2 tan A upon 1 plus tan square A. Cos of 2A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. Cos 2A is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square A. Cos 2A is equal to 2 cos square A minus 1. Cos 2A is equal to 1 minus tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A. Tan of 2A is equal to 2 tan A upon 1 minus tan square A. Sin 3A is equal to 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A. Cos of 3A is equal to 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. Tan of 3A is equal to 3 tan A minus tan cube A divided by 1 minus 3 tan square A. Sin of A by 2 is equal to plus minus under root of 1 minus cos A upon 2. Cos of A by 2 is equal to plus minus under root of 1 plus cos of A upon 2. And tan of A by 2 is equal to plus minus under root of 1 minus cos A upon 1 plus cos of A. Friends, remember and recall these formulas. Now, pause the video and try to simplify this example by using previous knowledge compound angle formulas. From trigonometry, show that sin of 2A is equal to 2 times sin A cos A. If you complete your answer, play the video and check your answer. Here we use compound angle formula. Sin A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Here we put B is equal to A and LHS is equal to sin of 2A. 2A it can be written as A plus A, means sin A plus A. We get sin A cos A plus cos A sin A. Both terms are same, so we rewrite this 2 times sin A cos A is equal to RHS. Now try to solve some examples. Prove that sin 4 theta plus sin 2 theta upon 1 plus cos 2 theta plus cos of 4 theta is equal to tan 2 theta. First we rewrite this sin 4 theta plus sin 2 theta upon 1 plus cos of 4 theta plus cos of 2 theta. We interchanging the position of cos 4 theta and cos 2 theta. Then we use here sin 2 theta or sin of twice A multiple formula. Sin 2A is equal to 2 sin A into cos A. We replace twice A is equal to 4 theta, means obviously A replaced by 2 theta. Then sin 4 theta is equal to 2 times sin 2 theta into cos 2 theta plus sin of 2 theta. In denominator 1 plus 4 theta is equal to 2 cos square 2 theta. Then we take sin 2 theta as a common from numerator. We get sin 2 theta in bracket 2 cos 2 theta plus 1. Similarly, from denominator we take cos 2 theta as a common. We get in denominator cos 2 theta in bracket 2 cos 2 theta plus 1. Both are same, hence we cancel it, and then we use trigonometric relation between sin and tan, means sin theta upon cos theta is equal to tan theta. Hence sin 2 theta divided by cos 2 theta is equal to tan 2 theta, which is the RHS. Now to see example number 2. Prove that 1 plus sin theta minus cos theta upon 1 plus sin theta plus cos theta is equal to tan of theta by 2. Here LHS is 1 plus sin theta minus cos theta divided by 1 plus sin theta plus cos theta. Again we rewrite this 1 minus cos theta plus sin theta, in denominator 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta. First we use 1 minus cos theta is equal to 2 sin square theta by 2, and sin theta is equal to 2 times sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. 1 plus cos theta is equal to 2 cos square theta by 2. We use these three formulas and replace these values. 2 sin square theta by 2 plus 2 times sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. In denominator 2 cos square theta by 2 plus 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Then we take 2 sin theta by 2 as a common. Then we get 2 sin theta by 2 in bracket sin theta by 2 plus cos theta by 2. Similarly in denominator 2 cos theta by 2 in bracket sin theta by 2 plus cos theta by 2. We cancel the bracket and 2. Hence we get sin theta by 2 divided by cos theta by 2 is equal to tan theta by 2, which is the RHS. Example number 3. Prove that sin A plus B into sin A minus B is equal to sin square A minus sin square B. Here LHS is equal to sin A plus B into sin A minus B. We use here compound angle formula, sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, another bracket sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. If you observe here first term of first bracket and first term of second bracket both are same. Similarly second term of first bracket and second term of second bracket are same. So we use here A plus B into A minus B formula. A plus B into A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. That means sin square A into cos square B minus cos square A into sin square B. Again we replace here cos square B is equal to 1 minus sin square B and cos square A is equal to 1 minus sin square A. And then we multiply sin square A into 1, sin square A into sin square B, 1 into sin square B, sin square A into sin square B. We get sin square A minus sin square A into sin square B minus sin square B plus sin square A into sin square B. Here minus minus plus. Then we cancel the same opposite terms, minus sin square A into sin square B plus sin square A into sin square B. We cancel it. Then we get sin square A minus sin square B, which is the RHS. Example number 4. If tan theta by 2 is equal to 2 by 3, find the value of 2 sin theta plus 3 cos theta. Here we have to given tan theta by 2 is equal to 2 by 3 and we find 2 sin theta plus 3 cos theta. First we recall and remember sin theta in terms of tan, so we use this formula sin 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. So we replace 2 times A is equal to theta, sin theta is equal to 2 tan theta by 2 upon 1 plus tan square theta by 2, and cos theta is equal to 1 minus tan square theta by 2 upon 1 plus tan square theta by 2. Hence 2 in bracket 2 tan theta by 2 upon 1 plus tan square theta by 2 plus 3 in bracket 1 minus tan square theta by 2 upon 1 plus tan square theta by 2, and we know that the value of tan theta by is 2 by 3. We replace here tan theta by 2 is equal to 2 by 3 each and every term. 2 in bracket 2 times 2 by 3 divided by 1 plus 2 by 3 bracket square plus 3 in bracket 1 minus 2 by 3 bracket square divided by 1 plus 2 by 3 bracket square. Try to simplify, friends. After simplification we get the value or solution is 3. Hence 2 sin theta plus 3 cos theta is equal to 3. For more practice, try to simplify these two examples. Sin A is equal to 0.4, find sin of 3A. Here to use the multiple angle as formula of multiple angle, sin of 3A is equal to 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A. Only we replace here sin, value of sin A 0.4 and calculate it. Second one is show that sin A plus sin of 2A upon 1 plus cos A plus cos of 2A is equal to tan of A. Try to solve these examples. For watching this video, thank you friends.